A very special type of paper carrier rope is one with an inner core. The company sells it under the name Lanex DUO. On both rope ends, mark the center of the splice, the end of the core, and the end of the splice. Pull the core out at the mark for the core end. Hold the rope with the remaining core tightly to prevent slippage of the core inside the rope. Cut the outside core at 10 centimeters or 4 inches. Attach the splicing needle to one rope and pierce the needle in the rope at the center mark of the splice. Push the needle to the end mark of the splice. Pull the needle out. Then pull the rope through until both center marks match up. Attach the needle to the other rope end. Stick the needle through the rope at the first braid hole and pull tight. Push the needle through the rope one more time at the next braid hole in the opposite direction and pull tight. At the next braid hole, insert the needle into the rope again. Push the needle through the rope past the core to the end mark of the splice. Then pull the needle out. Pull the rope out at the end mark and take the needle off. Start pulling the splice tight from the center towards the ends of the splice. Shorten the rope ends to 5 centimeters or 2 inches. Pull the rope ends out 15 centimeters or 6 inches and braid them. Taper the spliced fibers gradually. Pull the splice tight from the center towards the end. Shorten the remaining rope ends and core ends to 5 centimeters, or 2 inches, and unravel the core ends fully. Check whether the rope ends and core ends are still hanging out, and whether the transition from the rope to the splice is smooth, with a gradual taper at each end.